Hello, everybody. I am back with another example. And on this example, we are subtracting polynomials. All right, so the instructions are to find the difference. When you subtract polynomials, the first thing we need to do is align the like terms. And I do that by grouping them together in columns. All right, and then the next step is to apply something called the additive inverse. And basically, we're just changing the signs and then combine like terms. All right, so I'm going to walk you through what that means. Let me get my pen together. So the first group, I have 3x squared minus 2x. All right, and my second group is 3x squared, lining that up, plus 5x, line that up correctly, and then minus 1. I've lined all of that up, and then I'm going to show you that they're all in a group with the parentheses, and then here, my minus sign. All right. So I've lined them up correctly, and then I haven't done anything yet. So now now that I've lined them up, I'm now going to apply something called the additive inverse. Additive inverse is we change this to addition, my minus, and then we're changing every sign in the group or every sign in the parenthesis to the opposite sign. So I'm going to do that in a different color so you can see what I mean. All right, so the additive portion is I change this to a plus sign, and then instead the inverse is changing that to the opposite sign. So instead of positive 3, it's negative. Instead of a positive 5x, it is now a negative 5x. Instead of a negative 1, it is a positive 1. Now that I've done that portion, now I just combine like terms. They're already lined up correctly, aligned by like terms. So now I just take these coefficients, 3 and negative 3. Those cross out or cancel out and create a 0. All right, and now the next set, negative 2 plus, now I have a negative 5, which is negative 7. Let's not forget about that x. And now I bring down my positive 1. This is my final answer.